Hello, fellow traders and technical analyst enthusiasts. This is Matt with Ask Slim. In this brief segment, I'm going to highlight our Ask Slim SIR Grid live daily chart stream. This is designed for intraday traders and delivers key insights into primary intraday momentum, key support and resistance areas, and highlights high probability acceleration zones for the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and Russell 2000. This proprietary Ask Slim day trading support service is provided pre-market each market session and is available for our level 2 members and higher. Okay, let's take a quick look at a recent example of the service from this past Wednesday. The purpose of technical analysis and technical tools are to help give you an edge, an indication of a higher probability, not a certainty because there are none, of one outcome happening over another. And that is exactly what the service is designed to do for intraday traders. It's to help bring structure and confidence to your trading each day. So this grid is made up of two halves. There's an upside half here, and there's a downside half over here. And this is for the S&P 500, this is for the NASDAQ, and again, the Russell 2000. The upside is focused on identifying the anticipated resistance areas, and those are in light pink and also then in this red color. The downside is focused on identifying the anticipated support areas. That is highlighted in lighter green and then also in darker green. We have also added a custom momentum indicator. We call it our Ask Slim Reversal Scout, which is used to help identify the likely intraday directional bias, which is the line that shifts from green to purple, and it shifts depending on the intraday momentum condition. Finally, the grid features on both the upside here and on the downside for both of the major indexes when we have identified such areas, what we call anticipated breakout acceleration zones. These yellow shaded areas are breakout acceleration zones where the analysis suggests that the index will fulfill anywhere from 60% to 100% of the zone once the acceleration line is triggered. Like you can see here, once we violated this 4600 level, the SPX pushed through this acceleration zone very quickly. And then again, right here, the NASDAQ did it here. And then we had the Russell do it twice when this happened on Wednesday. Okay, so when the reversal scout is in the direction of the accelerations, the probability of it fulfilling the entire acceleration zone also increases. So what I want to do to finish this off is take a look at key aspects of Wednesday's price action relative to the technical details on the grid. So both the SPX and the NDX opened slightly down and they tried to rally, and you can see here the lighter pink area is defended really for all three of the indexes against that opening rally that came about 45 minutes in. And then the reversal scout, you can see, turned over and went negative. And when that happens, that is suggesting that that directional bias for that session, when it is negative, is likely going to continue in that direction. So let's see what happened as the day continued. As the SPX and the NDX and the Russell turned over here, they all came into support. And you can see that the support here, which is identified in lighter green, did as it should, where it acted as support as buyers were anticipated to come back in. And there was a minor rally. The rally in the NDX, actually, the decline was a little deeper into that key intraday support zone, where when you get into these darker greens or darker reds, what we anticipate there is that there's going to be a reversal fairly quickly out of there. And we can see that that's what happened in the NDX. And in the SPX, we bounced out of support. However, and this is what's very important when it comes to momentum and directional bias, and this is why this grid is also so helpful, is that the rally occurred. However, the reversal scout, the momentum indicator, which helps us to ascertain directional bias, stayed negative. And when we saw this lower low happen here in the candle, that was a suggestion, as well as if you use other momentum indicators at shorter term time frames, that we are likely to have a reversal back in the dominant direction of the directional bias reversal scout, which was negative at that time. And that's what we saw as we went on to make lower lows for the day, breaking down through, which was initially support through that key support zone into those acceleration zones, and closing then the day in support, and then we had that bounce. So that is typically how the price action works in correlation to the information, the technical details that we provide. Although there are no certainties, our job is to determine the highest probabilities of outcomes, and that's what this grid is designed to do. Okay, that's all I have for today. Remember to go to AskSlim.com for more information regarding our premium memberships. This is available for level 2 members and higher, or you can write to me at matt@AskSlim.com for special trial offers. We wish all of you great trading.
This is an important announcement. The Ask Slim Cycle Analysis Workshop Special. We only do this for about 2 weeks, and we do it every 6-7 months. So if you've been waiting for the special on our cycle analysis workshop, this is the time. This is my method of analysis that you can learn. I developed it over 47 years. This workshop took a couple of years to write and over 6 months to produce. It was a massive undertaking. 21 video modules, plus connected to it are many of our tools for text videos as they apply to each of these modules. You will never look at charts the same as before, just because you will learn a whole new way to project in both price and time and really understand the language of the markets in a whole different way. And on top of that, on May 10th, we're going to have a live event for workshop members. So you'll be able to ask your questions. You'll have plenty of time to review the workshop. There's hours and hours, and many people that have taken this have watched it 3 times through. So you will be quite busy learning from this, and so many things that you will learn that will make so much sense to you. Go to AskSlim.com to workshops for info, and also there's a front page link where you can request. You click on that and then let Matt know that you want the special discounted link. And Matt also has a demo reel with a lot of clips from the video, and you can ask him for that also. This is a special $400 discount for 2 weeks only. And if you're a premium member, any level, or you join right now and become a premium level, you'll get an extra $100 off. That's only $797 for this massive informative workshop. I'm telling you, you would pay thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for something similar. Of course, nobody could create anything similar to this because we're the experts here in cycle analysis. For that link, please write to Matt@AskSlim.com. He will then give you that information, or go to the top of the front page and click on that link that they put up there, and you'll be able to make that request. Cycle Analysis Workshop Special, only 2 weeks at this amazing price. Please do sign up now.